Hi everyone and welcome back to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena and I'm starting some Christmas desserts. Today it's going to be trifle. So as usual, all my desserts are simple, fairly easy, uncomplicated, and I hope you try this. For the recipe, you can use any of your favorite fruit. Today I'm using some fresh berries and some canned peaches. There's 2 different colors of jelly, custard, fresh cream, and some Swiss roll. All the ingredients will be found in the drop-down description below. For the base, I usually prefer a caramel Swiss roll, which you can find at almost any grocer. I prefer the mini rolls because then you can see the actual pattern at the bottom of your bowl. Today I'm using a Lamington caramel Swiss roll. Alternatively, you can use Madeira, you can use sponge cake, or even lady fingers. And sometimes I prefer using a large bowl like I'm using today, or I even like doing individual desserts. Now that I'm done layering my Swiss rolls, I'm going to start adding some syrup, and this is the syrup from the canned peaches. I purchased about 2 cans of peaches. Next, I'm going to start layering the peaches itself. Top the peaches on the Swiss roll so you can get the beautiful design from the outside. Once you're done layering your peaches, you can then start adding your custard. And here you can do your own thing. You can make your own custard from scratch. You can use the Moyer's custard powder if you wish. Sometimes when I'm doing a quick trifle, I even use the Ultramel, vanilla Ultramel. The kids love that. So there's no pressure here so far. Even your Moyer's custard that I generally prefer is quick and easy to make, and the rest is just your jelly that you have to make and leave overnight in your fridge so it sets. If you are making your custard on the stove top, make sure it's cooled down before you start layering. Next, I'm going to start adding my jelly. I have 2 colors, it's red and green, very Christmas vibes. And the jelly is the only part of the recipe that I had to mix the day prior so it could set overnight. Spread your jelly nice and evenly. I generally use all of the red in one go. Next, I'm adding some cream. Here you can use whipped cream. You can whip it yourself. If you've got a NutriBullet, you can whip it in your NutriBullet. Once you're done spreading your cream, you can then start adding your berries. I'm using my blueberries first. And what I like to do, just for the pattern and for it to look appealing and appetizing from the outside, I ensure I add it to the rim of the bowl itself and then fill it up on the inside. So I don't use all of my berries because I'm going to keep most of it for my final presentation right at the top. I hope you're enjoying my video so far, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, and you can enjoy more recipes that are going to be uploaded. Next, I added the rest of my canned peaches. A nice layer, and this is without the juice. You can even put the Swiss roll first and then your syrup and then your peaches. So you can go with whatever you prefer. You can try and keep the layers consistent. I decided to do peaches first, then my Swiss rolls, and then the juice or the syrup rather from your canned peaches. I'm now ready to add another layer of custard. Spread it evenly. Followed by my green jelly. So again, start filling from the rim of your bowl so it looks beautiful from the outside, nice and full. And once you've done that, you can add the extra jelly to the inside. Another layer of whipped cream, and then I'm going to add a sprinkle of flake, some chocolate, and you can even add some nuts if you prefer, and serve it just like this. Just for presentation purposes, I decided to add some more fresh fruit on top. Today I'm using strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. I've diced my strawberries so you can have a nice beautiful pattern at the top. Sprinkle some raspberries on. And then you don't need so many strawberries when you dice them up like this. I just kept one strawberry for the middle. There's some blueberries. Sprinkle some around so it has a beautiful color. And then you can pop a whole strawberry right in the center, and how gorgeous is that? Look how incredible and colorful those layers are. Once you're done, cling wrap it and let it sit in the fridge overnight, and then you're ready to serve the next day. I'm going to try to post more dessert recipes for Christmas. They're going to be easy peasy recipes like this because I don't have the patience generally when it comes to baking or any type of dessert. And if I have any quick dessert hacks, I will definitely upload them as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and thank you so much for your comments. They are always very welcome. Lots of love, Selena.